guys, it's Enchanted Lip. Today we are going to pick up an online bid that we had done, and we might do some bin shopping. So I wanted to bring you guys along and kind of show you my haul. We found this app, M at C Discount. It has a couple different locations across the U.S. You can go in and see what would be your closest, and you would bid. Of course, just normal auction bid type things. You'd have to go. They do not ship out. You'd have to go to their area and go pick it up, and so that's what we're doing today. Alright, editing Libby here. Come in real quick to throw in a couple things that I had forgotten to say, like Raymond Osby. Do not watch this video. If you talk to Raymond Osby and you watch this video, please do not tell him what I got him for Christmas, because that is in this video. And I also wanted to put in here that I will be putting the prices and stuff up in this corner, and it'll be on top, but that will be the price that I pay. Now, if it is a $2.99, it means I got it as a last chance deal, and I only had to pay that $2.99 plus the state issued taxes. Now, if it is a solid number, like some of them say like $6 or $7, that is what I bet for them and won for the auction. Sorry for how shaky I am. Those items also have a $3 floor fee and the taxes that are state issued. So if I paid $6 for an item, then I paid the taxes that I would normally on $6 plus a $3 floor fee. So what might have been $3 is now coming out to a little under $11. Depending on your state, depending on your situation. Different warehouses have different floor fees and other fees that they can put in, and I'm not entirely sure about if there's any extra fees from there, but I know that the last chance bin is all $2.99 flat rate, no extra additives except for taxes that you would pay. So I don't know exactly how much I spent because I did go a little crazy. Now, I do recommend waiting and checking out those last chance deals, because I found some pretty decent things and was able to give my sister 3 rugs, my mom 1, and my other sister 2 locks. So I was able to help everybody out, and it was all $2.99 a piece plus that taxing. So please enjoy the video. I am currently trying to reach my goal of 100 subscribers, so if you know anybody that might like my content, then please share to them. You can like, share, and subscribe, and comment whether or not you like these videos, whether or not I should do more, and what your favorite product is from this video. I will definitely say mine is the Grow Crate. I will use it so much, and I can't wait for you guys to see that. It is so pretty. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll get right to it. We're here. This is all mine, and then some. No cart. There she is. If she's on the cart, she's mine. Alright. There is my haul outside. Look at these. I'm so excited. Go ahead, ask if it all fits, huh?
Barely.
Alright, first off, we've got these. I've got 3 containers with roughly about 6 in them. 7, I don't know. Alright, and this is I'll show a picture for this too. This is for a trunk to go over the window. I've got these as well. It's a 2-pack. I also have this. It is floor mats for my car. Hopefully it fits. I will also insert in a picture. Here's a doorknob. I will be putting prices and stuff on this as well. I got these expanded clay rocks, 10-liter bag. Again, I will put prices. And it came with some starter pots, 6 of them. Next, we have a 3-pack of 3T leggings, and I got a 2-pack of those. I also got, and I'm really excited about these 3X Ghostbuster hoodies, and of course, you know I have to try mine on. I did get one of these for Christmas. I also got this Goodyear diaper bag for a friend who is pregnant. I'm not going to open it up and look at all the compartments, but you can see, and of course, I will be putting a picture. And I'm not going to take these out and hang them up or nothing. They're just fake flowers that you would hang and string down. I got this for Christmas for Emma, just a pillow. Right away, you can see the soaker system. Alright, quickly we have, this is a pool toy organizer. I will put an image of that in. Also got this, it has backdrop cloth support stand, 3 crossbars, carry case, sandbag, and some clips. Now it's just a regular backdrop stand. I got this grow cart at the auction. It's a very beautiful blue. It does not, so I can pick it up. It just has the push do and push to close. It's pretty nice. Alright, we also have this awesome lid that slides down in front for whenever it collapses, and you can put stuff in it. It's freaking awesome. Alright guys, so there was my haul. I'm actually wearing my Ghostbuster sweater too, and so is Christian. I think he looks better in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like that, please let me know in the comments. If you'd like to see more of that, like, share, and subscribe. And please, let's get to 100 subs. Thank you guys. Stay enchanted.